Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. So one of the things we would need to do is clean up the gutter so it sort of works and it keeps all that trash from being in our way when we seal that edge where that gutter fastens the roof. So what, in this case, a lot of times I use a big screwdriver or a pipe or something, but this is a handle that works pretty good for brushes. So I'm just pushing that along, and then we'll sweep the excess that gets on the roof off. You need to get all that out so it'll flow good. Seen it where they had trees growing in there where an acorn fell in and started growing from the water that kind of stuck around. Be a bad idea to have somebody clean this out for you once a year, but then you need to do this roof sealing every couple of years. You need to check it. This is what we're going to do, and then we'll show you what we start doing next. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw and think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.